Tag-itlog, palit tag-itlog. Yung ani dito sa ilahan, no? Magpalit tag-itlog. Ay, bebe, 15 for 6 only. Kuan dali siya, itlog dali siya nga double siya og yellow. So, tanaw na itong double og yellow, no? So, what do they have in here? They have strawberries, and they have cherries, and they have these ones. So, yeah, it's here. Madali lang din may ibutang ang kwarta, no? Yes. They're just like standing in the water. Look at that other one. Wow, he's so good. Oh my gosh.
Peninsula.
Peninsula?
Coming on to half island.
Ah, it's a half island. Oh yes, oh yes. It's beautiful here. Wow, it's from 1896. Tottenham's history. So you should also write your name. Let's go. Elgang Verbot. No entry. So we have to go in this one. Way out. Please close the door. What are you doing?
Hello. I thought we were going inside.
Oh.
I thought we were going the other door first.
Oh yes, we are here already. I lost count already. We have been to so many kuan kanang lighthouse ba. Nya. Daghan man na siya diri sa Denmark, no. So ganahan ko no kay kuan. Pwede magbuntiyol ka walay tao. Joke ra. Joke ra pod. Dayon. Makita mo gud mo ang kanang area. Oh my gosh, you just suddenly came there. Hi. He's also filming himself. Natakdan na si Uncle, natakdan. Oh my gosh, can you hear me? Can I pass? No. Gumay kayo siya, no? Narao, ang top niya. We are actually looking for a bench so we could make some coffee, and I was just like planning to go right there, but I forgot this is a private house, so we can't go in. Yeah, I know. They are private houses, so yeah. Let's go, let's go. Whee! Don't ba? Two yolks. So it was really right. Two yolks. And I eat it with adobo cheese.
Just salad, cheese, and oil.
It is really good though. It's so good. Tugno kayo, hangin kayo ba? Ano taon say na adiri grabe hangin Joy, promise Jud. There's a viewpoint here.
Thing on board. You don't need that today. Yeah.
Mangukay ta, mangukay. Look at that. There's so many.
It's so good. It's so good.
Yeah, I
So
know.
good to eat.
I really like it. This one I saw.
This is so 60s.
I don't want like that. It's so old.
Yeah, really 60s.
But look at these ones. They're cute. This one. They're so cute. Ah. Wait, look. Nana. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Guwapa kayo siya. My gosh. Ngunani lang siya. Gitanong lang siya there's kilid, no? Guwapa kayo siya. Promise, Jude. Na isa ka sunflower. Luya po. May mga auntie. Guwapa kayo ba? Agoy, ginoo ko. Uy, makagwapa dyan siya. No? Bisag wala kay ligo, auntie. Magwapa ka din yan. Dari nga side, uy, promise. Uy, gwapa kayo siya ba? Honest, Jude. Gihapitan naman ni Uncle no kay mamalit ni og patatas. That's really funny. You just go in there and get. That's really the cool thing here in Jylland, because not just in Jylland, but it's so funny. You will just like go in without even the owner of the shop or something. You just go in and drop the money, get the stuff that you want, and go. It's like pag sa Pilipinas pa ni, my God, gihurot na og kuha, oy wala dyan nagbayad no. Wait, buying. See, he already got one. Hey, they sell egg. Bago na ko nga ko ano patatas.
You just lay here.
Yeah, so you can just take in there. See?
And then when you have change, you just.
See, the money is just here. We don't touch them. We just he put 40, and then he took back 10. It's so funny. See, it's like potato is 30 kroner for a kilo. Egg, 15 pieces for 25 kroner. €4 and 10 pieces for 17 kroner. I think this is. Oh, wala pa nang itlog ang manok. Okay, isn't that crazy? Like seriously, I so love that way, because last year we also have been here, and naay mga ukay sa Daplin ba. So what we did was like we were like choosing and paintings. I bought paintings in 2 bags, and then suddenly it's like there was no one, so I was just like paying whatever from the money. Ay, hangin, uy. So, oh, na may sinsilyo, no? This is so cool. Oh, look at that, look at that. It's that nice Nestle Twin Carabao. It's there. Wow! It's cold. Wow! Nagtambay sa midiri, no? Kaya. Dami kayo ang ilahang kuan area. Kaya hinlo kayo siya ba, promise. I don't see any garbage. Wala jud siya, oy, as in. Ah, kalami sa tubig. He's just waiting for me. Watra taon si Uncle. Humana ang sirena, no? Kaya iyang tawag sa ako, Pinay nga sirena. Pinay nga sirena. Wah! The stone has so much, kuan, unsa English sa lumot, oy? That green stuff. Yeah. Unsa in English sa lumot ba? What do you call that in English, bebe? Huh? Allergy? Algae? Algae. Cellphone magud na, no? Nari ko i-istorya mga auntie, no? Kaganinang buntag ba? Kay kaning mga ingani nga magtulog bitaw sa shelter, pwede ra magug ka manuktok. Ayo, pwede malibang. Ayo, pwede mag ana, so kaganinang buntag, no? Maligo, maligo. Tuktok na mi ni uncle, ay sa muka ba ning buhok ka, oy. Tuktok na mi uncle ba? Ayo. Ayo, gawa si Lola. Oh, ansa man? Nay, pwede mi maligo. Ana dayon siya nga. Ana dayon siya. Oh, wala problema, sulod. Pero murag siya kanap ng murag strong bitaw siya, no? Nya pagkahuman, hindi. Dato sulod na sulod. Abusado.com kaayo mi ba. Ay, nay, pwede mga shampoo. Unya pagsimot bitan mo sa ilang shampoo kay kalab tang murag bitag shampoo sa mga tiguang. So balik kog sakyanan kuha ko atong kanang kuan. Kay wala ko nakalimot kog dala og ano, nakalimot kog dalag shampoo. So ang akong gi sabon sa akong buhok. Kuan kanang hugas sa plato unsay tawagan oy, dishwasher na buang dish unsay tawagan oy, basta kanang sabon sa plato nang kuan giatay unsa may pangalan to, Del baguro to, basta kay sabon siya sa plato akong gigamit no, kay nakalimot mo kog dalag shampoo, nakalimot po kog palit og shampoo ato dai adlaw. Sulod na mi dato, naligo. Piningon din si uncle sa ko ba. Panapamati nimo manghatag sila og lotion ko mangayo ta. Mga abusada kayo pero wala pinangayo, no? Kay mga guard magud sila nya ang ilahang baho sa ilang shampoo ug sa ilang lotion ba. Kuan tanan kanang baho sa mga tigulang bitaw. So wala na lang mino, wala na mi nagtry. So mao na siya. Mao to ako yung story. Ani ko to bagon di ay kanay nag-comment sa ako ang video last time. Nag-comment siya, I think the other day, nag-comment siya nga kuan daw. Sis kanang unsay imong kanang gigamit nga shampoo. Kay kuan kung reband ba daw ko na akong buhok. So auntie, dili ni reband akong buhok auntie, no? Unya kuan akong shampoo ug akong conditioner nga gamiton auntie, kung unsay naka-sale maurot akong gamiton auntie. Wala man ni arte akong buhok, no? Kay dili ko ganahan mag-arte-arte sa akong buhok, kay dili ko ganahan manudlay kay sakit kaayo. Nakatry ko og pakulot pero after a month or 2 wala na mo straight na siya, no? So di magsilbi ang kulot-kulot sa akong buhok kay mo straight siya, di siya mosugot. Nag-color po sa akong buhok, di gihapon siya mosugot. Ingon ani ra jud siya, wala na jud siya pag-asa, mao na gyud siya, no? Puros patay. Straight ra tanan akong buhok, pero kung imo siyang tan-awon kanang ang iyang lugas ba tambok kayo siya lugas liwat nako, no? So Mao na siya auntie, wala koy gamit sa akong buhok. And advice unsa to? Advice para munindot ang buhok. Wala jud ko ka-advice auntie. Wala ko i-advise no. Ako na lang siguro iingon nga dili na lang pug ka manudlay unya manabon pug ka uguan ng sabon sa plato. Ayaw sige plansa sa imong buhok kay the more ka magsige plansa sa imong buhok, the more maglagot imong buhok sa imuha dili na gid siya motuo. Mao na kung ako sa imuha ayaw undangin ang mga plansa-plansa kana mga uban pa unsay pang buhaton na kanang ana-ana. Undangin na nga bisyo kay sakit na siya sa bugan no. Dili ta na magsige kuan di ta magsige gamit ang mga electric kay basig mga di na gid hinon wa na gid hinon gilami atong buhok no. Mao undangan na nato siya undangan. Undangi ra na mga plansa og mga kuan pakulot sa buhok na okay ra na siya mutulid ra na siya iyahan no. Dili na to pugson kay sakit kay sa bugan. Hay Ginoo ko. Ako magpaabot ra ko diri hantod mahuman no. Nya matugra lang ko diri oh. Diri oh. Magligid-ligid na lang ko diri ah. Kamulong huwat kang angkol no. Sige, unya na pod oy sige ram ta ning istorya unya na pod ha, unya na pod. The Queen's boat is here. Hello, Royal Guard. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. So that's the castle. And I guess, I am just guessing, probably the royal family is here.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Because, don't ba?
Almost.
Because since the royal ship is here.
Cannot hit it? Can you hit it?
The royal ship. I sa tarungan na to. Royal ship. Tarungan na to og ingon. Tarungan na to og ingon kanara ba si Gigi. Royal ship? 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 Ship.
Ship.
Huh?
Ship.
Ship? Ship me like that?
Sheep.
Ship?
Ship and sheep. Long and short.
Oy bugo oy. Hala oy di ko kabalo. Okay, basta kay mo na siya ang mo na siya ang royal ko ano. Basta kay royal mo na siya. Barko na siya sa Queen. Binisayon lang na to sa mukha eh. Barko na siya sa Queen. Kana. And we are going here. Mao ni siya ang kuan kanang unsa ni siya nga castle ha? Ay sa pa. Sønderborg Castle kani. So libuto na to no. Tan-aw na to kung sa iyang ika-offer sa ato ano. So that's what you can see from the wall. They have this wall. So from there, where the royal ship is, ship, di lagi ta kamoy, ship. Basta barko no. Mo nakita no, na siya. Gapa no. So they have already made this as a museum. Isn't it, baby? Yeah, they make it into a museum. But since we hate museum, yeah, we hate museums, so we are not going in there. We go there and then turn to the car.
No, that was pretty.
So, mao na siya akong castle, no? That's mine. And his belly also is mine. People are looking at me like, what the fuck are you doing? Why do you have this microphone and everything? But we are no ba?
Very silly.
Oh, there is a nice baby. What? There is a windmill, an old windmill. So I don't know what that is. I'm not sure what this building is, but yeah, it's close to the castle. So guwapa sad siya. In fairness, no, guwapa siya. But the castle is really this one. Sønderborg Castle. Yes. Sa tanaw na to no kung unsay nasa sulod. Di ta manulod sa museum pero diri ra ta sa kanang naay gate. Unsay naa sa sulod ba? Tanaw ta. Nothing special. This is not really like very special looking castle. This is like so normal. So it's not so exciting. Look at that. I don't know what's in there. Let's go in. Agoy. Funny. Uy. Shit, what was that? Oh, baby, this is scary. Baby, stop! No, I don't like to go in anymore.
Again?
Oh, it's scary. Come now. Oh my god, there's like holes. What is this? Oh, press one. What is this, baby? Shit. Oh my god, yeah.
Sewage drain?
No, it's for prison, baby. They put people in here in the old days. Don't you think? I think prisuhan siya ba?
No, baby. Look out there.
Yeah, there's actually, wow. I really wonder what this is for. Kailan mo na. Ganahan kay Connie sa iyang po. Nice. An old windmill.